kiro kyobo governor imiye county yo ya Nyamira basaibo igoni go bagenretse kwerobelia boikirano anena sobo choria bonne bole bosio eyema igayo yo magati yabasai kurase county ya Nyamira bwe myaka 30 gwanchirwa ne kyombe kali kyobo chori ne chimbe IBC ko gandrane ganga yogo chikoligie kiro kyobo governor ase county yugo kwana maiga yo gwanchirwa na IBC nigate birebu nabasai ni go bwento konyara liba gali seina sokurobo kolere bwabo anena se county ya Nyamira.
Tetoko bakirambia mono sana. Mno musae ugosabe kiro kyobo governor Nyamira County Amarieta Arnold Nyasinga Ongwenyi. Oyokorigie kiro kyobo governor ase ticket ya safina. Ninde namogoka sengenjo enengaki enya in terms of how we are going to lead this county in terms of youthfulness and a lot of energy that is coming through to the county ya Nyamira. Amangana na mange tubwate county ya Nyamira na ndente tegoteba iga asa bantu be county ya Nyamira rema ndete moreme kabisa na inde moto ya magoro kabisa egere to change mne county ya Nyamira mnere mnatorocho borayo as a county ya at the moment maite there needs to be what we call true transformation in terms of how youths within the county of Nyamira, how they come up in terms of leadership. Go to what chande menene. And since we are there and we have already offered ourselves in terms of what we are going to do in this county, I want to believe that the people of Nyamira are going to support us. Nainde, as we are going to go forward, we look through in terms of